What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. It's Alex over here in the Let's Ride garage. It's currently about 25 degrees outside, but inside the garage, because of what I have, that mini split is working wonders. It's currently 65 degrees in here. I have my 3 dogs in here. They've been sleeping in here for the past day, and it's gonna keep on sleeping here for the next few days until the weather normalizes. But this is what I'm working on. I had this Kookez 32 hole hub, and this is the stock Otter wheel, the front wheel. I just laced it up. I tried to lace it up a while back. However, the last 2 spokes, they wouldn't go in. And then I got into the Facebook Mongoose Ledge Otter, and somebody responded to me with the same scenario. He told me about the shorter spokes go on the brake side. So I undid it, everything, and redid it. Like literally the spoke different length is like 1 or 2 millimeters, something like that, but it worked, and it seems to be pretty darn true. So I think this is my first time that I have laced them up before, but this is the first time that I threw it. And this is what I wanted to show you. Over a year ago, I ordered these Novatec hubs. There's 2 of them. They came in from AliExpress. I'll link them in the description below. They're 32 hole cassette, and they're seal bearings, of course. And these are quick release. And I had originally ordered these for the original Mongoose Otter project that I wanted to build about a year and a half ago, that I ended up returning. So now that I laced up the front one, I have just unlaced the rear one, because this is a free hub, and I'm gonna attempt to install this one in here. And before I do, I wanna weigh the difference. This is not too light. This does not feel light at all, but I wanna see if there's a weight difference and keep you updated. All right, stock hub, 1.12 pounds, 18 ounces, a little over half a kilo. And to tell you the truth, this Novatec, it feels a little bit heavier. 1.12 pounds. Well, it's actually the same weight, exact same weight. So no weight savings in this, but we're gonna gain a cassette capability on this thing. Now, something else that I did. These are my brake side spokes. I wanted to keep them separated. And these are the drive side spokes. I want to keep them separated. And then go ahead. Hey, quiet. And I'm gonna put them back the same way that I took them off. So the brake side are gonna go on the brake side. The hub side, the cassette side, are gonna go on the cassette side. Don't wanna worry you with this, because I'm not gonna do a tutorial on this, but I'll show you the end product. Well, as you saw on the quick time lapse, it was all me doing this. It is all laced up. All I gotta do is tighten up the spokes. And yes, I'm following a video, and I will link it in the description below. He goes into very detail on the process that I'm doing, and it is all in. So let me go ahead and do a little bit of tightening. Hopefully it trues up right away, and go from there. All right, so here it is. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but it seems to be center over here. That video tutorial, that's the one I've been doing every single time. And this is the first time that I think I'm actually gonna be able to actually throw them myself without taking them to a shop, because it's almost there. It is almost there. So, and it really doesn't take that long. I will probably say it took me 25 minutes per wheel. The key thing is just to follow that cross pattern, and other than that, that's it. So I have a new laced Kookez XM 490 front hub, 15 by 100, and the Novatec D042SB seal bearing with the cassette compatible at the rear. I'll leave affiliates for everything in the description below. Check them out. And all I gotta do is put them back on the Otter because I wanna try something different on that one. So again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you're back, welcome back. And again, if you want to support the channel, check the affiliates in the description below. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye. Let's ride.